In this quick and easy tutorial, I would like to show you how to create a gradient background in Adobe Photoshop. What you have to do, here are the layers, just paste an image, any kind of image, any color. And what you have to do, select it, then press on this menu to create a gradient and select gradient overlay. Alright, and this menu will pop up. Now let's see how can we create a gradient in Photoshop. Inside here you will have few settings. Here is the opacity of the background. If you decrease it all the way to 0, the background will become the original color before you add the gradient, okay? So let's leave it all the way to the maximum. Here you will have an angle, the angle of the gradient. You can select any kind of angle which suits you the best. And here is the scale, basically how the colors which you choose will mix inside here. Let's choose it all the way to the maximum. And if you'd like to change the colors, you will have to click here on the colors, and this menu will pop up. And do not worry, because this is easy to use. So inside it you will have two colors at the opposite poles of this bar, and let's change the colors. I will click on this square from this side of the bar, and now let's press again on this color. Alright, and this is the purple which is chosen. Let's choose another color. Maybe we can create a nice red at this pole, and let's click OK. Now at the opposite side, let's click on the other square, this green square, and let's click on this green color. Alright, and let's choose here, I don't know, maybe a bright orange. And also you can add as many colors as you want. As an example, if you want to add another one somewhere, just click where you'd like to place the color. Here, click once. Now press on this square which just appeared and press on its color. And here you can choose another color to give, maybe a green, maybe a blue, maybe a pink. Choose which one you'd like. I'll choose this green. Press on OK, and if you'd like to remove the color which you just added, just select it, click once on it, and now press delete on your keyboard. And this is how to remove a color in a gradient. Okay, so let's press on OK. And from here, as I told you, you have to play with the angle until you match a gradient which you'd like. I would like to have the orange in my bottom left corner, and the scale, I think it's better like that. Let's press on OK, and this is the easiest way to create a gradient background in Adobe Photoshop. I hope this Photoshop tutorial helped you out, and thank you a lot for watching.